My name is Archie Gordon, and we're at Samuel Leeds Property Event Financial Free course.
And what we learn in here.
We're basically learning all about service accommodations, HMOs, learning a bit about taxes, what to do here and there, how to ring up people, how to handle objections, basically everything you need to know to start your own service accommodation and HMO. I came into property because I want to be financially free. I want to retire at a young age just so I can explore life. I want to build a property portfolio and a large business.
Fantastic. And tell me what's it like being taught by Samuel. What's his energy?
His energy is really, really push. It's not laid back. It's learn now, do this now, which is good, which is what you want to be.
Excellent. And do you feel like you're coming away from the event with a lot of knowledge?
Yeah, knowledge that you can't get anywhere else, really, in one place. It's really all of the knowledge you need and everything that you want in one course.
Amazing. Are people calling up estate agents and stuff actually in real life, like in the event?
I think now we're making a list, then I think this next section should be calling them up, or over the next break, certain things.
Fantastic. Have you seen people kind of actually making deals, making connections, making money through? How's it been?
I've seen one person putting together a deal, but I haven't seen them sell it. I've just seen them kind of go through it, go through the process, the due diligence, and putting it up on the app.
What do you think the best thing is about an event like this?
The best thing really is the connections and the information. Connections you can make, potential investors, other people who have made mistakes so you can learn from theirs. Yeah.
Incredible. And so someone who's thinking about getting into property, what would you recommend?
I would recommend this course because it's all the information in one place for a small or a big investment, but in the long run it's gonna be worth it.